Aloha and welcome. It's package day. So, in this video, front bumper, license plate, tow hook, relocation. I ordered this off of eBay. It was only like $20-something. Seems like a pretty simple thing. Tow hook. How's this work? ijdmtoy.com. Why it says LED series, I have no idea, but that's the thing about the tow hook. My Porsche 996, which we'll go look at in a second, I am trying to sell. And in the state of Hawaii, you have to have a front license plate. If not, it does not pass safety inspection. There was no instructions. I will just assume that there is one bigger screw and one washer that threads in there. The other nuts and bolts are for your license plate to attach to that. And yeah. Just try and get the one and the washer real quick before I go outside or before I spill everything. So this threads into the car, and then you mount this on whichever one of these holes you want to mount it on, I assume. You put the washer on this side or the other side. I know it's got a little bit of a concaveness, so you can adjust it. I don't know if you're out of field of view. Now this kit was like what, $20 plus shipping, so it was just oh yeah, see, it's neat. See how it's beveled like that? So you could, depending on your angle that you want for your bumper, you know, so if your bumper's like that, you can have it like this. So that's kind of slick that it's got concave and convex design, so it can be like that. But for my car, it'll probably be, oops, so you can't even do it right now. Gotta unscrew it. Really? Did I break it? No. Try and do it straight-ish. But probably the smart thing is put this in the car first and then tighten this bolt so this isn't like lagging. So we'll do that. All right, I'll meet you in the garage. Hold on. This is my 2003 Porsche 911. And I changed out the bumper, the original, this is the original bumper. Oh, whatever. I don't have the bracket to hold the plate correctly. See, these holes don't line up with anything. So I bought this. Which is odd because this is a Hawaii car, and usually Hawaii cars don't have the holes in the bumper. Like none of my cars, they're Hawaii cars, they don't have the holes in the bumper, so I could have been lied to. But no, according to Carfax, it's a Hawaii car. But they had the front plate bracket installed in it at one point in time. Look, it just threads right into the bumper hole. There's this little plastic thing. Oh yeah, the whole reason I'm doing this. Those of you who've watched my channel know that this car came with a different bumper. It came with like this GT2 racing bumper that was like super low to the ground, couldn't go up and down driveways. It was like a nightmare. It looked kind of sexy, but was drama. Well, let me get a wrench. Hold on. Just some channel locks, I don't know. It's probably gonna put a little scratch in it. People cringe, but I just need to be sure it's tight. There you go. 1/8 of a turn. This can either be like this or like that. Should we go all gangster lean, center, high, super high? We got a couple mounting options. It's kind of neat. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And kind of a simple design, not a big deal. That looks like it. Oh. I'm gonna wish that I had a little open-end wrench for this, but it'll be all right. If it was me, I would only put in 2 screws, but since I'm selling it, I'll put in all 4. Is it blocking the radiator? Yes, it is. Is it going to make a difference? I hope not. There we go. That was a pretty easy thing. Don't have to worry about ordering this specific thing. Looks good, and now the person who buys this car from me, when they go and take it to get it safetied, they won't have front license plate drama. Because every year when I register or safety my cars, it's front license plate drama. So, can't reveal my secrets, but this one is a pretty easy fix. And it's a neat look for the car. It's original.